People think pigeons are dirty. Watch this. First, I added some bath salts to their bath, and the second it was ready, Mocha was the first one to dive in. Then Acorn saw him and decided to take a bath too. And if you still can't tell, Mocha loves this. Then Bonbon eventually took a dive too, and Acorn, being the youngest, is still kind of shy around the others, as you can tell. But once they're done bathing, they shake all the water off and set their feathers back into place. And then comes the next step, preening. Once one starts, the rest follow, and they all just sit there cleaning and lining up their feathers. Acorn, though, he has absolutely no idea what he's doing. And now Troy always bathes last. He can't really bathe with the others because he's too aggressive. So after everyone was done, I took him out separately, and of course, he immediately knew what to do. And while he bathed, the others just sat there watching him from above. But yeah, this is why pigeons actually aren't dirty. They constantly clean themselves, preen their feathers, and bathe to keep their feathers healthy. And after all of that, they just sit there, sunbathe, and relax in the sun.